Yeah, man, a father and son, Natural Vibes TV, and we're there out here, we want to show how the thing look. Yeah, man, to the super out here, and now we're going on nature walk. So me I say, hope you guys just watch the video, enjoy the video. Yeah, man, you don't see it. And when I disclose the location, yeah, man, because you don't know. But we're there, we are doing the works, super in town. We're in town, super in town. So you don't know, so super there, and that's a nature look. Yeah, man, a nature, you see it? It's all about nature. So subscribe, like, share the video, hit the notification bell, tell another friend and another friend. Yeah, man, a super to the world. So just watch all the view, nice. Just watch the view. Yeah, man, so the view look. So the view look. Yeah, man, the ocean nice and pretty. So pass alone give them view, yeah. Yeah, man. You don't know, only for camping can go on. You see what go on? Yeah, so pass. Only for camping can go on. Yeah, man, Natural Vibes TV. So just walk with Natural Vibes TV. Yeah, man, so we'll give the ocean a little stroll and show you what go on. Yeah, man, so we have spot a nice big tree there. I don't know, it's shaping a whole heap of different style from ground, you see me? Yeah, man, so a Natural Vibes TV. And we're here to give it to you guys. Yeah, man, just walk on nature and enjoy the nature with Soap Bass. I don't know Soap Bass is here, you know. And as we say, yeah, and that's the nature I like. Man, you see all the big bird nest up in here. A bird all fly. Some all over my head I go and bad some pitch here. So you know, say, I feed them nest up in the tree there. You can't play with them birds because them birds will come pick out your eye. So, with Soap Bass go and walk. Don't know them birds war hawk. And we can't manage them. We see a white wing fly, but look like I know it's a really and truly Soap Bass want to check it out. Yeah, man, see them up in there go and bad for me there. Yeah, man. Yeah, as you can see. You can see the whole of them things come out of the sea. Come bank up here, so. Yeah, man, them places where you could all take all a swim, but you know, them say climate change, things change each day, you see me? Yeah. So, Soap Bass, you know, that's what we say. So the things stay. So the things stay. I can't go on it, look. Yeah, man. So the whole growth stay. Whole growth. Whole growth. Yeah, man. Whole growth. Whole growth. Yeah, man. So you saw Jamaica nice and beautiful. And the whole glow of this. See that? Yeah, man. Whole glow. Whole glow. Yeah, man. Whole glow. Global.